Indiana University was really pleased to be the first university to connect to the 100 gig network with the Monon 100. We see that as really instrumental to our work with software-defined networking.
One of the things that we're very excited about is the development of new internet technologies, the next phase of internet technologies, if you will.
Internet 2's roots are in innovation. It came from a need for technology to support innovation within the university community.
That will give our researchers the capability to leverage the entire network infrastructure in ways that they are today, similar to the ways that they are today leveraging computing platforms.
It doesn't really matter what the discipline is, if it's big physics or astronomy or even our digital humanities. Our scholars care about doing their work.
It's an amazing time to be a biologist, especially an evolutionary biologist, because much of the theory we'd already developed, but it was just waiting for the data. So now to be in a time when we can merge the data with the theory is just a really exciting time.
The open flow routers together with the high bandwidth, high speed of the Internet 2 would really in practice allow us to implement this cloud computing over the network.
By increasing the bandwidth between two locations, that means that you can push a lot more data from point to point.
Think about it. Instead of getting through 10 books on the Civil War, every book ever written on the Civil War, then you can use the computer to at least work like a research assistant.
This enables collaboration of people from different institutions, also across the researchers on the ASU campus. For example, I have collaborators at the University of Florida and collaborators at University of Oklahoma. Both are on the Internet 2 nodes. So this would enable us to, for example, I can visualize data at the University of Florida side much easier, same for the Oklahoma side. So this is going to give us a lot of opportunity.
This is probably the first time data has gotten out in the front of population genetics theory.
Internet 2 has bootstrapped us to get into the game, but now that we're in the game, we have to look at how we can leverage and how we can tap into these new directions that are out there.
Universities are great places for extremely high performance and high bandwidth networks as we enable students to start experimenting through software-defined networking or more apps that they may develop on their own. Universities provide the ideal test bed with the faculty, with the students, to develop what comes next.
Industry's moving fast. Everybody's moving fast right now. And as a standalone university and CIO, I can't count on myself to stay tapped into all those directions. It's through the collaborative environment that Internet 2 provides that we'll be able to do that.